Understanding sound and hertz. Sound is a vibration that travels through a medium, air, water, solid, and is measured in hertz. Humans typically hear frequencies ranging from 20 number of vibrations per second, 20 cards. However, different frequencies interact uniquely with the brain and body. How different frequencies affect the brain. Scientific studies have shown that certain frequencies influence brain activity, often through a process called the brain operates on different frequencies known as brainwave states. Certain sounds, like binaural beats and isochronic sound and meditation, can stimulate Buddhism, these brainwave traditions and influence focus, relaxation, and even altered states of consciousness. Ancient spiritual traditions have long used sound for mental and spiritual awakening. For instance, Buddhist mantras chants. Specific syllables like Om, AUM, resonate at frequencies said to calm the mind and Tibetan singing brain waves produce frequencies that align with theta and alpha states, inducing deep meditation. Gregorian chants, known for their calming and harmonizing effects on brain activity. Healing therapy through sound. Some modern sound therapies use 432 Hz and 528 said to be a natural frequency that promotes harmony. 528 Hz, often referred to as the love frequency, believed to repair DNA and enhance healing. Solfeggio frequencies. Ancient musical scales believed to impact consciousness and health, while certain frequencies are beneficial and harmful others can be damaging. Extremely high frequency sounds, 85 dB, 20 kHz plus, can cause hearing damage over time. Infrasound, below 20 Hz. Low frequency sounds can induce discomfort, nausea, and even anxiety. Ultrasound, above 20 kHz. While not audible to humans, prolonged exposure at high intensities can impact the nervous system. Some theories even suggest that certain frequencies, like 110 Hz, can trigger altered states, or low-frequency infrasound, 17 Hz, can cause brainwave activations linked to paranormal Scientists study how certain frequencies entrain brain activity, theoretical scientific mood and psychoacoustics. The study of sound perception shows how frequencies interact with emotions and psychology. Cymatics, visual representation of sound frequencies affecting matter, showing structured patterns at specific frequencies. Practical applications. Meditation stress relief, using 432 Hz music, binaural beats, healing therapy, music therapy using learning solfeggio frequencies, listening to alpha beta wave frequencies while studying. Scientific research, exploring how frequencies affect memory, relaxation, and altered consciousness. Thus, sound frequencies deeply influence the brain and body, with applications ranging from meditation and healing to scientific research. While some frequencies promote relaxation and cognitive function, others may have harmful effects if misused. The connection between sound, brainwaves, and consciousness continues to be a growing field of study.